哦，他们那个 All in 估计不会来，他不是在休假嘛？
估摸着他们都在休假，有可能，那
那个
就等一
谁，
会儿。
昨天那个谁，那个叫
他说
谁，
了吗？
他在群里说他今天不来，那个Michelle，他说他今
没问题，
天不来，然后那个 Thomas 说好像他要晚一点。
等一会儿吧，咱们继续呗。
好，嗯，
你看他也在讲，他说 Day Two 的测试不太顺利。
对对，Arbor Server Configuration，但这个东西其实是被藏起来的，他居然用了这个，嗯，他引的这个 Harbor Server Configuration 其实是之前那
嗯，
个路不让他那会儿贡献的一个 Day Two 的一个功能，但
好嘞，
这个功能就是我们没有 open 出来，是藏起来的，但是代码在里面，但是其实是能用的，只是把文档藏起来了。然后这个
OK，
就是其实文档在这儿，你看有个 Day Two Operations，就这个
哦哦
就这个东西，然后这个东西其实是
哦，
可用的，这个东西其实是可用的。然后它这个里面是有一些功能，但这个太复杂了。就是之前为什么要藏起来，就是觉得这太复杂了，太不好用了，就是反正很复杂。你看个图就知道了，就配置
OK，
对，然
对，
后
等一下，那
啊，所以然后
接着，
它的这个功
嗯，
能相当于是依赖了一个我们藏起来的
对
一个
对，
CR，
所以这个就有点问题了。
嗯。但之前其实也有人开始用这个，虽然我们把这个文档藏起来了，但是它那个代码什么的都在里面，就是其实已经能 work。
嗯，那等一会儿所以所以咱们
啊，
的那个 Day Two spec 必须依赖 server configuration。
就是他贡献的这个 day to harbor of projects 这个
嗯哼，
东西，依赖
我
于之前我们藏起来的一个 day two 的其中一个 CRD。
那咱们就按照它的依赖去创建一个它的 CRD 呢？
对对，只能这样先试试。
嗯
反正之
嗯，
前这块儿他们应该是测过，也能
那
用，就是太复杂，觉得当时
对对，
邹总觉得太复杂，所以先把它
没问题
藏起来，然后
没问题，咱们
后面
先
重构的
复杂
时候，
不复杂，咱们就是
对，那我们就还是按照这个先创建一个这样一个东西，叫 Harbor Server Configuration。嗯嗯，那一般人应该找不到这玩意，难怪他们测也有问题。这里有个例子，我直接用它这个。 API version namespace 不行。
namespace get cluster simple nice。
NS， 然后
这个不对吧？这个得改吧。
就是默认应该是 the main
Harbor 1234，没问题，没问题。
然后
Configuration
the
simple，
main
这个要改
需要
，server URL 要改。
对 default 对这个得改成
你的那个，你先存一下，你有那个什么？对，就这个。namespace，你有 secret 吗？
version 2.6.4
2吧？我忘了，
这个应该不太
无
那个，
所谓吧？这
对，
个
它应该不会 check，应该不会 check，只是写啊，应该
你的那个
都有了吧？
secret
这个在这
reference
儿，在这儿，在这儿，
OK OK OK，
然后它这个密码应该是 Harbor 1235吧？
你 base64解一下啊，这试一下，如果它不行，它会报错。对，是的，没错，
对的，好，
对，
那我们就得改一下那个布置一下，然后把它给 apply 了啊，不，好，然后再改一下 Harbor project，把它 reference 的这个改成这个，然后我们还是不行，
server could not find the requested resource。你再回到那个文档，嗯，不是，所以 CV allow list 不是一个 requested，对吧
其他这些应该都
？membership 是
不是我
required
记得，
吗？
应该不是
OK，metadata 这个也无所谓。
Harbor server config，我应该没拼错吧？
Harbor server config，你再看一眼，大小写有关系吗
对的，
？Harbor server config namespace 是那个东西叫 Harbor server config 杠sample吗？只 list 一下还有那个 get 一下。是这个。等会儿metadata test namespace 都是在 class simple NS 上面是吗？它需要跟 Harbor operator 在一个 namespace 下面吗？
不需要，
不需要。所以API version 也对 Harbor project spec 还需要什么？能看那 log 呢？有那个 log 没有
好
？Harbor
像
operator 的 log 有没有
Harbor cluster center 这是哪个呀？这是
reconcile fail Harbor configuration。
cluster center not found，我先把那个删了，
你把那个对，你把那个删了。
list 然后它没有日志，感觉应该是被 webhook 给拒了。The server owner requested the resource. Harbor kind Harbor project. Harbor project. V B T V beta E V E beta E V E beta E Harbor server.
membership project metadata score project name 没有什么了呀。server config
这是一个指
membership
定啊，我看到它的这边。
webhook validation 的 webhook，对对对，就这个。等一会儿，它需要什么？人，include chart 的 full name release namespace，它的 validation 做了什么呀？
对，这边有。Harbor project resource，然后 validate update validate create hp 点 validate 就是在这儿。hp 点 project update harbor project resource。如果 old 不等于 new， 不等于 old 点。
如果你 create 呢？
我先把之前的给它干掉。
有吗？咱们之前有
project 先删。not found。
之前就没创建过成功过呀。
哦，对对对，对呀，之前没创建成功，我操，为什么会报错呢？create 就是 create。
就是 create 呢，我不用 apply。
webhook 这儿被卡住了。
那它的 validation 没看出有什么问题啊。
validate create，然后
server config
走了一个这个，这里是 new， 如果 old 不等于 new 才进这里面，否则
old 不等于我们没有 old 呀。
对，没有 old， 这是 old 是 new 的话，那应该就没有啊，啥都不干，奇怪。想想，对不对呢？不，这样。难道还有其他地方有 webhook？我们应该 webhook 就它定义在这个地方，别的地方没了。Harbor project， 我 create update constant 这个 navigation value groups，v 贝塔一 admission review 等于 v 贝塔一，等于 none。review Harbor project。
对，再往上看上面一个东西，那个对对，停，往下一点。 能看这里面的 log 吗？webhook 里面的 log 吗？
这里的估计够呛，找找。
user 没有。
意思的会场被
没到，你没到那个 operator 那关呢，还他的校验没过。
好像怎么看 K8s webhook 了？Why are the two calling webhook？project。感觉是这个，看明白。
你搜一下它那个什么 KB 到 IO 那种。
肯定是没有这个东西啊。
这个有可能。哎，等会儿
没有，它就没有这个资
webhook
源。
webhook endpoint 不对呀，它是在你的意思是说它要先
嗯，
加一个这个东西？
就这个
啊，
webhook 它自己本身应该
没有，
也是一个资源。我看它这个，我看别的有没有，别的应该是有的。
你看一下那个 对，随便找一个
哎，
class
没有，
的
它叫这个名字吗？啊，
你看一下别的呢？job service 你有没有？
没有。哦，这儿我看看它这个东西，它应该是一个圈体档案。嗯，这个里面
validation webhook configuration
v registry，哦，
这是有的，
其他是
它
有的。
它是
这个
没有的。
也好像，
嗯，
这个 service v hub project 的 implement 也有啊，也有，这不是吗
哪儿呢？对
？v harbor project 点 kb 点 l 这个
，OK，等一会儿，这个东西是 resources 是 Harbor Projects，等会儿 scope 线 v beta one v one while whole service operator namespace failure policy，再往下感觉没啥错呀，有这个东西，没有别的了啊。
对对
name selector API group 也对 v one。啊，
level policy rules
它那个
go
resources
harbor
是对的吗？Harbor Projects，
resources 这个吗？
对，
应该是对的。harbor，你看别的也都是这个吗？
别的是它对应的是自己的 job service 是 job service。
对对，
不知道不知道怎么做，你再看看他你的那个，
Hi, sorry for the delay.
哎，
So we are currently do the testing day two testing, but encounter some problems with the uh day two spike, but we are figuring it out, but didn't get the root cause. So have
Okay.
you ever tried to test the day two operation?
No, never.
Okay. So we just follow the documentation and create a spike, but we didn't make it. And
Yeah.
yeah, I always fail with resource not found or the requested not resource not found. We don't know what is specific for. So can you yeah can you show us the issue here?
It's an issue with the webhook.
Um Yeah, I think we can start the meeting now, so then we can debug the problem offline.
Yes.
Mhm.
Do you want me to share my screen?
Oh yes, please.
Okay, so share screen. Do you see it?
Yeah, okay.
Right. Okay. Okay, so we didn't write discussion topics for today. Maybe we can check what's still missing for the 1.4 release.
Actually, we are just testing the 104. Mainly focus on the day 2 configuration, but seems like we got some problem. But yeah, so I think before we finish the testing, we should hold on for the 1.4 release. There may be some problem for the day 2 configuration, or
Yeah.
at least we have to update the documentation. So give some sample for the user to how to configure the day 2 configuration spec. Yeah.
Okay, I have just one question. When you test it, how do you install the operator with the M chart? Or
We use kube control to create the YAML file.
yeah, but to install the operator, how do you install it? Do you run it as a container in a Kubernetes cluster, or do you run it locally on your computer? Because the webhook issue looks like you are running the operator on your laptop.
No, we
didn't
have
find the webhook.
sorry, we apply some resources internally, and then we set up a Kubernetes cluster on those VMs, and then we try to deploy the hardware operator on top of the clusters. And
Okay.
yeah, so next time maybe after Olin back from the vacation, we would like to ask Olin to help us to request some resources from the CNCF, so then we can use that machine to testing something. But currently we are use the internal resource, the VM based resource to testing the Kubernetes class. Sorry, hardware operator.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so we'll write it. Okay.
We will summarize some of the problem that we found for the day2 operation. Like, so it seems like the current solution basis on a resource named harbor server configuration, but that as resource, I heard Chen Yu said the previous maintainers said the resource was too complicated, and so we maybe need to refine the day2 operation in the next release, like 1.5. But we just leverage the current solution in 1.4 and try to validate that the end-to-end scenario works, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
We talked about the day2 test, but did you test the operator, the other features without the day2?
Yes, we did.
Okay, and you didn't find any issue?
So far so good. But we may probably need to update the installation guide for some minor change. Like we recommend user to use kube create instead of kube apply, because the annotation is too the size of annotation is too big for apply, so it may be cause some problem. So but the installation process was smoothly for us. Yeah. But we are blocked by the day2 testing. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it could have been great to deploy it on CNCF resources and having all the access to debug together.
Yeah.
We could help. We could maybe help with Marcel. Or I don't know if you can give us access to the actual cluster, but it could be nice later to have all access to the testing cluster.
Yes. So we can discuss this after Olin is back. Yeah. But currently the internal resource cannot be accessed by an external. Yeah. So.
Yeah. Okay. No problem.
So.
Okay, Marcel had two topics. He talked about the Helm dependency.
So okay, so for the first one, so we do not want this PR in 2.4. So we have to be. I mean that before this, we have to branch the 1.4. So after that, the Michelle can create or merge the PR into the main branch.
Are we sure we don't want it in the 1.4 because it's to fix the CRD installation, right?
But so, hi Jay, do you know that we have the release for 1.4? I mean the branch.
Yes, but it's outdated, I think.
Oh, okay.
It's a very old. Oh.
So we would like to tag the 1.4 GA based on when or 1.4 branch.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's very old.
Okay, so I'm asking that do we want to shift 1.4 on top of main branch or release 1.4 branch? Yeah.
I think we can go from main branch, but we can.
So
should discuss it with Marcel maybe.
I think the 1.4 branch is too old.
1.4 is too old, so can we rebase the 1.4?
we can maybe we can
Uh-huh.
delete it and create a new one.
It's not a best practice because okay. We could be okay. So we do not have any release on 104 branch, so we can recreate a new one.
Yeah.
So then
Yeah, the latest is 1.3.
okay, got it. So yes, we can recreate the 104 based on the main branch right now, and then we can shift another release candidate, maybe RC2, based on this branch. So then we can do some testing based on top of the RC2, right? And then Michelle can raise his PR against the main branch, and we can start reviewing that PR and merge it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So about the first subject of Marcel, you think that we should wait the next, merge it in the next release, in the 1.5?
So I think he can raise PR at any time after we recreate the 104 branch, right? Yep.
Okay. I will write it. Okay, great. And about the second subject, the setup for day 2 ops.
Yeah, we got the same problem.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's not super straightforward. Yeah. So we definitely need to refine the day 2 operation in the next release.
Okay, I will write it too. Okay, great. Do you have other subjects?
No, not yet. We are good.
Okay, great. I don't know if there are pending pull requests. Okay. If I reviewed it. Okay, I need to review it.
Yeah, and just updated some documentations.
Okay.
Yeah,
it's
great.
Okay.
Thank you for the pull request. I will review it. Here, I think it's missing something. Okay. This one I think is not. Yeah, it's not correctly implementing. Okay, so we are good. We need to review this one.
Yeah.
And we are good. Okay.
Okay, thank you. See you next time.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, bye.
Have a good day.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Have a good
Bye.
day.